In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cloudflare CDN on Siteground hosting. First, head to my Siteground. This is your hosting dashboard, and it's where you manage everything related to your websites. Sign in, and once you're in, you'll land on the main area that lists your products and tools. Next, click on Websites. This tab shows all the domains connected to your hosting plan. If you manage multiple sites, take a second to confirm you're working on the correct one so the changes apply to the right place. Open Site Tools for the site you want to speed up. Site Tools is Siteground's control panel, and it groups performance, security, and application settings in one clean sidebar, making it easy to find what you need. From the sidebar, go to Speed. This is where Siteground centralizes caching and content delivery options. We're here because enabling a content delivery network offloads traffic to a global edge, helping your pages load faster for visitors around the world while reducing server load. Inside Speed, click on CDN. This opens the Cloudflare integration panel. You'll see options designed to turn on the service and tailor the level to your needs. Choose Basic if you want the quickest path to activation. Basic routes your static assets through Cloudflare's network and applies smart caching with minimal configuration. It's a solid default that improves delivery times without changing how you work on the site. After selecting it, give the network a little time to propagate. Performance gains often appear within minutes, but may take a bit longer depending on DNS and cache warmup. Alternatively, select Premium if you need more performance and features. Premium typically adds expanded edge coverage, advanced optimizations, and priority resources. You'll see pricing and plan details right in the panel, and you can switch when your project requires more throughput or extra controls. Once you've chosen an option, browse a few key pages on your site to help warm the cache. Then open your homepage in a private window or on a different device to get a fresh view. If you use a performance plugin, leave its default settings as they are at first to avoid duplicating features. You can fine-tune later after you gauge the results. That's it. You've navigated to My Siteground, opened Site Tools, went to Speed, entered the CDN section, and selected the basic or premium Cloudflare option that best fits your site. Enjoy the faster load times and a smoother experience for your visitors.